Hello everyone, welcome to Big Show. In today's video, we are going to talk about Laravel environment, how to start our Laravel website, like our Laravel app. In this video, we are going to explain how to start our Laravel app, how to create a controller and a migration at the same time. And to get started, you have to open your Laravel app or your Laravel folder. In my own case, my Laravel folder is located on the ht you understand, and I will open this my web app with VS Code, you understand, and the audio will put that for you with VS Code. And the first thing for you to start your Laravel app, make sure you write this command php artisan serves to start your Laravel app. Before you start your Laravel app, just make sure that you have already turned on your XAMPP and your Apache and MySQL, understand, so that you will not run into error for the future. Once the app have started, just copy this 127.0.0.1.800 to your web browser. Let me just copy my own to my web browser to see the interface of what we are doing. Let me close this one out. Let me copy it here. You copy it to your web browser and tap on enter. Once you tap on enter, you see this interface, this Laravel interface, like the welcome page. Let's get started. Laravel has incredible rich ecosystem. We get started with the following: read the documentation, watch video tutorial at Laracast. And in this welcome page, we see that Laravel come with registration page and login page. Whenever you install Laravel, it will come with this registration page and login page. Click on registration, you will see form where you can fill in your full name, your email address, your password, and confirm password. Laravel handle this form registration for you. Understand? The form registration, Laravel handle all these things for you. You can still click on the login page. Understand? This is a login page. Laravel just came with this page, these two pages, and there are a lot of pages that Laravel come with. Understand? But in this video, let us know how to create a Laravel controller. What is a Laravel controller? A Laravel controller is like where we write our logic, where we put our logic. We call that place a Laravel controller, where we write all of our website logic. We call it a Laravel controller. And if you want to create a Laravel controller, just write php artisan make me a controller, make a controller. You can write home controller, home controller. Tap on enter. If you click on enter, you will see that the line of code that we just wrote give us this result: controller XAMPP ht my app http controller home controller created successful. Then locate this your folder, this your app folder that is here, app folder. Open your app folder, open your http folder, click on controller. This is a controller that we just created. This is a controller. Understand? All of our logic will be written here inside the controller. And the next thing, let us learn how to create a migration. Learn how to create a migration. And if you want to create a migration, just write php artisan make me a migration. Create. Let me create add post. No, create post table. This line of code will create, let me say, a table. It will create a table for us. Understand? It creates a table for us. Understand? If you want to see this thing, you enter your database. Click on your database. Click on migration. This line of code that we just written here now, this is the result. It created something like this for us. Something like this for us. Very beautiful. You understand? And in your mind, you might be asking, what is migration? What is Laravel migration? Laravel migration is like a way of we creating Laravel table. Understand? If you want to create a Laravel table, you use migration. You can use it, you can create with your example, like you can use your example or your other method, but the most beautiful way is using migration to create your Laravel table. Understand? This is the migration, and now I want to add, you can add different column to this table. You can add, let me say, let's add on that column, add, let me say table, sorry, table. I want to add a string. I want to name the string, let me say title of the post, and I want to set it to no label. The font should like this. Just open it like this. This is how we create, let me say, a migration. Like if we want to create a column, this is how we create a column. Let me write title and description. Title, description. Let's still put author, the author of the post. The author. Understand? Once you have created your column, the next step is for you to save it. Once you save it, then you have to push this your migration to your normal XAMPP, and we have to push it, like we have to create it to your normal XAMPP. Like if you want to do it, you write PHP artisan migrate. Just write PHP artisan migrate, you understand, to push it. But there is one thing that is here, your .env folder. You have to configure your .env folder. Your .env folder. I think I will make a video about this .env folder for our next video. What is .env folder? You understand? And in my .env folder, I'm using my SQL, my SQL. You understand? And the name of my database will be my web app. You understand? My web app. You click on save. You understand? Once you click on save, look at the trick here. Like without me going to here to my local host, I want to just push it direct to my local host. Then I will click on PHP artisan migrate. PHP artisan migrate. You tell me, could you like to create it? Like the database, my web app does not exist on my SQL connection. Could you like to create it? I say yes, I want to create it. Tap on yes, I want to. Once you tap on this yes, it creates the migration to let me see, you create the migration for your MySQL, MySQL, you understand? Once you just type this code, and you look at the sheets here, click on this one. This is my SQL here. I want to refresh my SQL so that we can see what we have just done. I want to refresh my SQL. Once you refresh your MySQL, then you will see the database that we just created. The database, like the name of the database. I think the name of the database is my web app. Just scroll. I think it's done. You're supposed to be done. Okay, my web app. Okay, my web app. Wait a little bit. My web app. In my web app, you will see there's a table called post. There's a table called session. There's a table called users. There's a table called password reset. There's a table called migration. In our next video, we are going to talk about .env. What can we learn from .env? And we're going to talk about the migration in details. Migration.env.